What's up, everybody? It's Adam Della here with Truphae, making another video a little sooner than I expected, but there's something that I have to address. One of you brought up how I said me and Tim in the last video, and how important grammar is to the pen community. And as someone that is new to the pen community, the last thing I want to do is alienate myself for improper grammar. And that's what leads me in today's video. I thought that because of this comment, it would be a perfect opportunity to show you guys my favorite pen that I have in my collection. As you can see here, I'm a big Sailor fan. I got quite a few Sailors, but today I want to take a look at the Sailor King of Pen with a medium nib, 21 karat, got a lot of flex to it. This thing is an amazing pen. Obviously everyone knows Sailor, and I thought, what better way to introduce you all to my favorite pen while also atoning for the mistake that I have made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the Sailor King of Pen can do grammatical exercises. I'm going to atone. Hopefully I can teach myself some grammar today. We're going to do a pen test as I do some exercises to help improve my skills. This is me acknowledging that I'm not perfect, but all I want to do is show you guys my pens. So let's take a look. We got the Sailor King of Pen. It's black with gold trim. It's that nice cigar body. I'm sorry, Tim and I. Tim
and I. Tim and I.
The King of Pen is just the perfect pen to atone for something that you messed up with. If you need to write a letter apologizing, I really can't recommend a pen more than the King of Pen. It's the King of Apologies, I would say. That was the King of Pen. I hope you enjoyed me atoning for my mistakes. If you stick around and watch our YouTube, you'll get to watch the evolution of my grammatical skills. See, I'm already getting better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.